One of the sections that I think a lot of people have some trouble with is estimation. And hopefully this will kind of clear up some issues with estimation. Guys, it's so important to use those compatible numbers. So right now, if you do not know your math facts, pause this video, take 10 or 15 minutes and go through math facts. Go through your multiplication facts, your division facts, because that will help you to be successful on this section of the COL. Let's go through some examples now of some compatible numbers that make it easy. The whole point of estimation is to be quick and efficient and to use numbers that we can use mental math with. So with 79 times 195, I'm going to round these to two numbers that I can multiply easily. I'm going to round the 79 to 80 and the 195 to 200. Very quick and easy math. 8 times 2 is 16. With multiplication, we add our zeros. So there is 1, 1, 2, 3 zeros, and I will just add those to my 16. So the best estimation is 16,000. If you look at letter B, 934 times 193. 934, I'm going to go ahead and round to 900. And 193, again, to 200. Use those mental math skills. 9 times 2 is 18, and I'm going to go ahead and add my zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please be careful with your counting. Please be careful when adding zeros. Take your time and check your work. For letter C, I'm going to round the 94 to 90, the 83 to 80, and the 41 to 40. I might have to do just a little extra side work here, but nothing too bad. 9 times 8 is 72. Times 4, I'm just going to do that to the side here. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. And remember, with multiplication, we add our zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros added right to the end. Now the tough part for a lot of people is the division. Please, please, please know your division facts. Know some numbers that when multiplied together will give you a product, okay? If you look at letter D, 43,972 divided by 493. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this, and both answers are acceptable. That's why I stress to you guys to show me your work. I'm going to round 43,972 first to 40,000. And I'm going to round the 493. I have to think, what is a number that is close to 493 that will go evenly into 40 or even 400? Well, what about 500? And look at what happens here. With division, you have to take a number like 5 and say, can 5 go into 40? Well, yes it can. 5 goes into 40 8 times. Now keep in mind with division, we subtract our zeros. So we have 3 zeros here, and we have 2 zeros here. 3 minus 2 is 1 0. So 80 is one estimation that will work. Another one, and this is why I tell you guys, show your work, show me what you do, is if you took the 43,972 and rounded that to 45,000. Divided by 500. This is another way that you can look at it, because look at what happens. 5 can go into 45, 9 times. 3 zeros minus 2 zeros is 1 zero. These two estimations are very close, and I would accept both on a COL. I'm just going to very quickly show you the next two. I would round letter E to 630,000 divided by 7,000. 7 goes into 63 9 times. Sorry about that. The kids know sometimes my smart board can act up. Okay, 7 goes into 63 9 times. We have 4 zeros here, 3 zeros here. 4 minus 3 is 1 zero. So 90 would be my best estimate for that one. And for letter F, I'm going to go ahead and round 7862 to 8,000 divided by 100. 1 goes into 8 times. 3 minus 2 zeros is 1 zero. 80 would be my estimate for that one.